Okay students, again we are here with the other part of the direction sense. So, we in the earlier section we have seen some simple questions how to find the direction and the distance. Let us see some more questions into this section. Okay. So, for a quick revision I am just telling you that these are the directions that we have discussed, and these are some cardinal directions that we have already seen: the north east, the south east, southwest, northwest we have seen in the last video, right. So, let us directly start with the questions. We have seen such type of questions have been asked in the direction types of questions. So, let us start with the new type of questions. Okay. Let us read the question first. A man walks 5 kilometers towards south. Okay. So, I am just drawing 5 kilometers south. Okay, this is 5. And then turns to the right. Okay, if he is facing to me, that means he is standing face to face. Then if he is turning right, then his direction is this. Okay, after walking 3 kilometers, after walking, that means this distance is 3. He turns to the left. That means after walking 3 kilometers, he has to turn left. So, he is turning left, and this he is again walking for 5 kilometers. Now, in which direction is he from the starting point? The starting point is here, and the final point is here, right. So, if I plot a small direction from here, this is north, this is south, this is west, and this is east, and this is here, right. So, this is somewhere here, right. So, this is which direction? This is southwest. So, our answer is southwest. Okay, next see, starting from point x. Okay, let us see if we take any point x here. Okay. Jayant walked 15 kilometers towards west. Okay, starting from here he walked west, that means he walked like this for 15 kilometers. He turned left, that means he is going downwards, and walked 20 meters. He walked 20 meters. He then turned left. Again, if he is standing in this direction, then his left is this side, and he is walking again for 15. That means this distance and this distance are in parallel and equal. After this, he turned to his right. Okay, again his right is in which direction? After this, he turned to his right and walked 12 meters. That means he is going downwards 12 meters. How far, in which direction is he now from the Jayant from x, right? So, this is how much? This is 20, right, and this is 12. So, whole distance is 32, right. So, 32 is the distance, and in which direction? This is here and this is here, that means in the south direction. So, 32 meters and south, that means this answer. Okay, let us see next. A man walks 2 kilometers north. Okay. Let us see, north 2. Then he turns to east and walks 10 meters. Walks 10 meters. Okay. After this, he turns to north and walks 3 kilometers. Okay. 3 kilometers. Again, he turns towards east and walks 2 meters. Again, he walks 2 meters. Now, you need to tell me how far is he from the starting point. This is the starting point, this is the final point. So, I need to tell what is the distance, this distance, right. I need to tell this distance. This is S and this is final. This is starting and this is final. I need to tell what is Fs, right. I need to tell what is Fs. Okay. So, let us see. If I extend this line here, right. This is 3, so this has to be 3, right, and this distance, this is 10, because this is 10 here, this is 10 here, so this is also 10. So, total this distance is how much? 12, and total this distance is how much? 5, right, this is 5. By applying Pythagoras theorem, if this is 12 and this is 5, then we can find the distance of the hypotenuse, right. So, I will just right. So, to find the distance of hypotenuse, what we will do? We will see the Pythagoras theorem. 12 square plus 5 square, which is what? 144 plus 25, which is 169. So, under root of 169 is what? 13. So, this distance is how much? This is 13, right. So, my answer is 13 kilometer. Okay, let us see. Rasik walks 20 meter north. Let us see. Rasik walks 20 meters north. Okay, Rasik walks 20 meter north. So, I will just see 20 meter north. Then he turns right and walks 30 meter. Then he turns right and 30 meter. Then he turns right and walks 35 meters. He walks 35 meters. Right. Please take care of the distances. This is 20 and this is 35. So, this distance is more. Right. Okay. Then he turns left and walks 15 meters. Okay. So, from here he takes 15 meters. Then he again turn left. Okay. If he is standing here and if he want to take left, then its left is in which direction? In this direction. Right. And this is what? 15. Okay. This total distance is 35. This much distance is 20. So, that means this distance is 15 only, right. So, this distance has to be equal to this distance. Okay. So, if this is 15, this is 15, this is 15, that means this is also 15. So, this is total how much? This is 30, this is 15 and this is 30 and this is 15. So, total is how much? Okay. So, this is 30 and this is 15, right. This is 15 and this is 30. So, total distance if I calculate, this comes out how much? 45, right. This is 30 and this is 15. So, this comes out 45. So, my answer is 45 and that too in the east direction, because my starting point is here and my final point is here, right. So, this is in the east direction. So, total distance is 45. Okay, next. Ravi starts from his house and moves towards south. Okay, I will just draw. This is 100. Okay. Then turns left and walks 200 meters. This is 200. Turns right and walks 500. Again he turns right. If he is standing here, then its right is this direction. 500. How far is he from the house? Right. If this is 100, that means this is 100. And this is his house. This is his house, right. And this is the final position. This is the final position and this is the house. So, I need to find this distance. I need to find this distance, right. I know this is 200. I know this total is 500 and 100 if I subtract from here. So, this distance become how much? 400, right. So, this is 400 and this is 200 and I need to find this distance, right. So, this is what? This is again a Pythagoras theorem. That is 400 square plus 200 square and we need to take the under root. So, I will just write 400 square plus 200 square, right, which is how much? 16 into 10 to the power 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power 4, which is equals to 20 into 10 to the power 4. Now take the under root. So this is how much? 10 to the power 4 is 10 square and 20 is how much? 2 under root 5. So my answer is 200 under root 5. So my answer is 200 under root 5. So answer is 200 under root 5, which is this option, 200 under root 5. Okay. Let's see the other question. A man went 10 kilometers towards south. Okay. Okay. So a man is going 10 kilometers towards south. I will just select the pen. Okay. This is 10, right? Okay. Then turn east and cover 10 kilometers. Again it covers 10 kilometers. And turn to the right. Again he turns right, and after covering 10 kilometers, again he covers 10 kilometers after turning to right. He turned to the left and covered 10 kilometers. He turned to the left and covered 10 kilometers to reach the destination. This is the destination and this is the initial position. How far and in which direction is he to the starting point, right? So you need to tell the two things, the direction in which the final position is and the how far is he from, right? First of all, the direction we can easily tell. This is the starting position and this is the final position. So in which direction it is? This is what? This is west and this is south. So he is obviously in southwest, right? So we know that it is in southeast. This is east. This is east, right? So we know that it's southeast. Southeast is the answer, right? So I know either this is correct or this is correct. So let's see. Again, we need to find the distance from this here to the here. Okay, can I extend it to here, right? And can I extend it to here, right? So this total distance is how much? This is 10 and this is 10. So this is 20. And similarly in this side, this is 10 and this is 10. So this total is 20, right? So again we need to find the hypotenuse. We are finding the what? Hypotenuse. This distance is 20, this distance is 20. Again we need to find the hypotenuse. So applying Pythagoras theorem. So what we will do? 20 square plus 20 square is equals to 400 plus 400, which gives me 800, and again we have to take the under root of 800, which is what? 20 under root 2, right? So our answer is what? Our answer is 20 under root 2 because it is southeast, and so our answer is this, right? So this is how we solve such questions. We just need to extend it and we will see the answer, right? So this is how we are solving direction based questions. So this is it. I have tried to cover all types of questions using Pythagoras, directions, distance, every type of questions. So I will just uploading a practice sheet. I request you all to kindly go through it and solve it. I am also providing the solution along with it. Okay. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you.